Hello everyone, my name is Niko from the Kingdom's Mindset. In today's digital age, the ripple effect is more powerful than ever. A single action can create waves of change across the world thanks to the immense reach of social media. That's why I created the Kingdom's Mindset. We understand the power of social media and this ripple effect. So we're gathering the top 0.01% of dreamers and innovators, a very small group with huge dreams and goals. Our mission is to build a community where these dreamers can find their voice and receive the tools they need to heal from past experiences and traumas, reaching all the way back to childhood. To live our best lives, we must be whole. This means having a pure mind without hidden intentions or agendas. Our royal mindset sets us apart from the 99.9%. We believe that everyone has something unique to offer and that even the smallest action can have a positive impact on the world. We're a community of deep impact, bringing together key people with the contacts and knowledge to make a difference. 0.01% may not be many from a global perspective, but we influence the 99.9% and show many the way forward. Many of us had challenging lives from a young age, often feeling misunderstood or doubted by those around us. When someone heals internally and addresses past experiences deeply, they can meet key people and future leaders and more at the right place and time. With this insight and powerful presence, they can create an enormous impact, even if it isn't always visible. The 0.01% are the ones with biggest dreams who often take the least credit. The 0.01% may not be many from a global perspective, but we influence the 99.9% and show many the way forward. Many of us have had challenging lives from a young age, often feeling misunderstood and doubted by those around us. But when someone heals internally and addresses past experiences deeply, they can meet key people, future leaders and more at the right place and time. With this insight and powerful presence, they can create an enormous impact, even if it isn't always visible. 0.01% are the ones with the biggest dreams who often take the least credit. The difference between the 1% and the 0.01% is significant. To locate 0.01% within this group, we need to look at those who have had the least opportunity to speak out. These are often the ones with the most transformative dreams for a positive and caring future for us all. We're here to change that. We are the generation of impact and Kingdom's Mindset. 0.01%. Join our team on Telegram and let's grow our community together, because we need each other. In such a time like this, we really do need each other.
Join us on Telegram and Discord now so you don't miss this chance. We're gathering the top 0.01% of genuine leaders and content makers online who want to change the world by changing their own lives. Together, we create a community of dreamers who boldly pursue their dreams and speak their minds, healing along the way.